Okay, here is a fan that has really bad bearing damage. It's actually wearing on the rotor, and that's what you hear when it's like magnetic sound. I finished it up. I tried my best. I even put grease in the bearings to give it some more to take up the, when it's worn, there's like a little, like a thousandth of an inch, or like 50, I don't know, a lot. And I try to put that grease in there to take up that space, so that way at least it'll lift it up a little bit. But it's so worn, it's rubbing really badly, which sucks. But here it is on. It's really bad. Which sucks. It's such a nice fan. And I cleaned it up and everything. I put a new head wire on it and everything, and I really wish that it could run, but the front bearing or the back bearing needs to be replaced. It's on medium. The only thing is the switch has some taps in it, surprisingly, that I don't know what it went to, but I don't. It was for a different version of this fan. It was meant for like a three wire one, and I don't think it was for the 6-blade. I think it was for like a 4-blade, when they didn't have the centrifugal start switches anymore. Well, it was pretty well. It's still loud. It sucks, but it oscillates too. I completely went through the fan. It's not perfect. The bearings weren't worn. The bearings on mine are worn, but they're not this bad. Like, this is really bad. I'm only running it for this video, but it's wearing. It's getting worn on the stator, which is not what you want to happen, because what happens is they're made up of a bunch of little like slats, and what happens is if those slats gets bent, it'll crease the wire and it'll cause a short. So I can't stress it enough. Do not run your fan like this. You have to go buy, or you have to go pay somebody that's a machinist to put a new bearing in, because they have to press it out, put a new sleeve in, and then they have to bore it out to size and everything. It takes a while. If I had a lathe, I would do it, but I don't, and they're like thousands. Like a smaller lathe is like half, or like $500, and I don't just have that amount laying around. There was a lathe for $1,000 that was really nice. It was about the size of this table. The only problem is I didn't have $1,000, and there's nowhere else to put it, so I just had to buy one and like I get out of college or something. But that'll be for a while. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. There's a 6-blade oscillating Emerson or Westinghouse. Wow, I have not done anything with Westinghouse. I polished the blades too. That's why they look so shiny. But that took me a while. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.